Welcome to day 4 of Git tips and tricks. And this is a fantastically clever bit of Git that I want to show you today. So again, we are looking at the git log command. And again, we're just interested in following a single file. So I've done git log. This time I'm going to show you the patch. I've got the dash dash and then the name of the file that I'm interested in. So we're going to look at this diff, and we can see in the first commit where this particular file changed on the 21st of August, we have got a change. We basically made the class final. And then we'll scroll down a bit to August the 21st. And here we've made some changes, and these changes are made within the prune baseline method. And one really clever thing that Git can do is it can follow the changes of a method within a file. So if we do the git log and then we use -L, then we've got this colon and we can put the name of the method or function that we're interested in. Then there's another colon and then the name of the file where that method or function lives. So now when we do this, the first commit we see is the one on August 21st, and we can see it's these changes that are made within the prune baseline file. So it's only showing us differences to do with a particular method. So this could potentially be really handy if you want to see the evolution of a method or a function. So I think that is really cool. One thing you might need to do to make this work on PHP, if that's the language you're using, is if you look in the git attributes file, I had to add this star.php diff equals PHP, and that's to tell Git how to treat .php files. Depending on the language you're using, you may have to do something similar to this or maybe nothing at all. But anyway, I think that is so useful that you can look at the evolution of a function over time with Git. I think that's incredible.